Hi there, welcome. Today's lesson is soups. The classification of soups are clear, broth, puree, velouté, cream, and bisque. An example of each soups are clear equals consommé, broth, scotch broth, puree, lentil soup, velouté, chicken velouté, cream, cream of mushroom soup, bisque, crepe soup. So these are an example of each soup. So if you've got a consommé, that is classified as a clear soup. If you've got puree, lentil soup, sorry, that is classified as a puree. So these are an example of each soup. 250 milliliters is usually served per portion of soup. Two ways of making cream soup are by vegetable puree and bechamel. So puree the vegetables and you add some bechamel to make creamy soup. Points that indicate a high standard of consommé are has to be non-greasy and crystal clear. Those two elements indicate a high standard of consommé. The factors you need to produce a good quality consommé are good stock and a good meat. Those are the factors to produce a good quality consommé. The color of a consommé should be amber. 6 garnishes of consommé are brunoise, finely diced vegetables, royal, unsweetened egg custard, cut into diced or diamond, vermicelli, thin noodles, julienne, finely sliced vegetables, olga, flavored with port, and quenelles, as you desire. Those are the garnishes, some of the garnishes that you can use for consommé. What have consommé and tasse and consommé madrel in common? They are both called consommé. So the entasse and the madrilène, they are both called consommé. What stock is used to produce Scotch broth? Mutton stock is used to produce barley is used to garnish Scotch broth. The characteristic of good quality broth are plenty of vegetables and well flavored. So these two are the characteristic of good quality broth. What soup thickened by its main ingredient called? Puree. Purees are the soups that are thickened by the main ingredient. Which class of soup is accompanied by crouton? tomato soup. What is flute? Flute is long, thin loaf. The points for a good quality crouton are neatly and evenly cut, golden brown color, crisps, and good flavor. Those are the points that we need to consider for a very good quality crouton. What are lentils, yellow split peas, haricot beans, and the green split peas? They are pulses. These are all pulses. A good standard achieved when making puree soups are the use of fresh ingredients, careful preparation, light consistency, the consistency of the soup, and a very good seasoning. These are the standards to achieve a very good puree soup. Minestrone originated from where? From Italy. Minestrone originated. The accompaniments to minestrone are grated parmesan and thin slice toasted flute. Ah, yes. Minestrone originated from where? From Italy. Minestrone originated from. The accompaniments to minestrone are grated parmesan and thin slice toasted flute. In this lesson, we covered and learned the classification of soups, the amount served per portion of soup, the points that indicate a high standard consommé, the factors that we need for a good consommé, the characteristic of a good quality broth, and the points of a good quality crouton. I hope you will find this lesson helpful and enlightening, and I would like to thank you very much for watching.